Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Jimboy Morales here and you're watching Gmo TV. So today I'll be doing a review of this product that I've recently bought online para sa aking ear, specifically for my ear. And also I think this can be used as well if there's something that you want to check or see that cannot be seen by your naked eye. So without further ado, the product that I'm talking about, it's the Visual Earpick. Nakalagay pa dito sa title. Dito sa box. Visual Earpick HD Camera. Yan. Kita niyo. Visual Earpick. Supported system mode, Android and Windows. Nakalagay dito. So nakalagay dito din na 2-in-1 and 3-in-1 Endoscope. Pwede siya sa USB and micro USB. So it can be plugged sa smartphone, tablet, laptop, and PC. So let's do a quick unboxing because I haven't opened this yet. So let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, patay. Okay. There's this thing na ano siya. Parang I don't know if this is this an extra or something? Okay. Ano siya, type C? Maybe. So, ito siya, may free siyang ano, and then I don't know what this is. Let me pull it out. Okay, before that, so here's the actual endoscope. Ano siya? How to open this? Oh, how to do this? Ito to. So here's the thing. Here's the camera. Yan. So siya. So, nakay dito plug and play, and I think I'm not sure if I'll try ko siyang plug and magpe-play ba siya pag ipa-plug lang siya direct sa phone, but I doubt it. So okay, I'm gonna be trying to connect this one sa aking Android, and then most probably while doing it, I'll just do voice over kasi ito yung gagamitin ko na phone para i-connect to. So I'll get back to you guys. Hello guys, I'm back. So, as you've seen sa video na yun, nakita niyo yung ilalim ng aking tenga. And unfortunately, there was no sound kasi akala ko may sound siya. Unfortunately, wala pala siyang sound na na-capture. So, that was the product na para sa ear. Dito sa right na part lang yung kinunan ko, and wala dito sa part kasi it's a bit messed up. Because this was the part na may tinnitus and something is building up there. For the sake of this the video para sa product na ito, to give this product a review kung gumagana ba siya. Oh, gumagana siya. And then nakita ko yung ilalim. But unfortunately, hindi ko siya wala siyang configuration on how to configure the camera. Wala siyang option doon. And then I've downloaded an app para ma-connect siya dun sa sa mismong endoscope. Before I'll end this video, kasama pala doon sa box or sa product yung CD. And there's instruction here, manual, and how to set it up sa PC. But anyway, I'm already contented of what I have did, and unfortunately, not really contented, but somewhat a little bit disappointed kasi hindi ko siya ma-adjust eh. Hindi mo makikita yung malayo sa ear. So I guess that's all for this video, guys. So if you have any comments, suggestions, or any questions, just comment down below and I'll be happy to get in touch with you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching Gmo TV, and may you all have a wonderful day. Be safe and God bless you all.